Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to add paragraph border in Google Docs. It is simple. So let's say we want to add border to this first paragraph. Select it, then go to the format, then go to the paragraph styles, then go to the borders and shading. Here there are a couple of options. So you can see this is the top border and this is the bottom border, this is left border and this is right border. We will come here later. Let's say like we want to put a bottom border. Select it and then click apply. You will see it appeared here. So now we're going to do all sides. Go to the borders again and now you have to select the one that you want to. Like we want to create a box, let's say. So here we want the border width to be more. Let's say like we want to do it 3 pt, and the border dash will actually go with the one that we have. If you want, you can change the color. You can also change background color. Let's say like for this I will just going to do a border color, and you can do paragraph padding too. It's up to you now. Okay, click apply and then you'll see like our border just appeared. Okay, so let's say you don't want to and you want to change it. Select it, then go to the format, then go to the borders and shading again, and you can reset and you can start it again. So this is how you add a paragraph border in Google Docs. It is super quick and easy. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and also like the video. Thanks a lot.